It's hard to determine the worst-selling video games of all time, as it depends on how worst-selling is defined. Some games may have sold very few copies but still made a profit, while others may have sold more copies but still be considered a commercial failure. However, here are some examples of video games that have been considered to have poor sales. E.T. the Extraterrestrial for Atari 2600. The game was released in 1982 and it was considered as one of the worst video games of all time, and it has also been blamed for the video game industry crash of 1983. Daikatana, a first-person shooter game developed by Ion Storm. Released in 2000, the game was heavily criticized for its slow pacing, poor AI and numerous bugs, and it has sold poorly. Superman 64. The game was released in 1999 for the Nintendo 64 and it was widely panned by critics for its poor graphics, controls and gameplay. Ride to Hell, Retribution, a game developed by Eutechnyx, released in 2013, it was heavily criticized for its poor graphics, repetitive gameplay, and numerous bugs and glitches. Colonial Marines, a first-person shooter game developed by Gearbox Software, released in 2013, it was heavily criticized for its poor AI, graphics, and gameplay, and it sold poorly.